What is entropy in machine learning decision trees? Imagine trying to guess what's inside a box without opening it. The more surprises or mixed contents there are, the harder it is to predict. That's kind of what entropy measures in decision trees. In machine learning, decision trees are tools that help computers classify data by asking yes or no questions. Entropy is a way to measure how mixed or uncertain the data is at each point. If all the data in a group belongs to one category, the entropy is 0, meaning it's perfectly clear. But if the data is split evenly among different categories, the entropy is high, showing lots of confusion. Think of a dataset with fruits, apples and oranges. If all the fruits are apples, the entropy is 0 because there's no uncertainty. But if half are apples and half are oranges, the entropy reaches its maximum, indicating the most confusion. The goal of a decision tree is to split the data in a way that reduces this confusion. When the tree splits data based on a feature, it aims to make the resulting groups more pure. This reduction in impurity is called information gain. The feature that causes the biggest drop in entropy is chosen for the split. This process repeats at each node, gradually making the data easier to classify. The formula for entropy involves calculating the probability of each class in the dataset. It multiplies these probabilities by the logarithm base to of the same probabilities, then sums everything up and adds a negative sign. This calculation tells us how much surprise or unpredictability exists in the data. Decision trees use entropy to organize data efficiently. At each decision point, the algorithm checks all features to find the split that lowers entropy the most. The structure starts with a root node representing the entire dataset, then branches out into internal nodes that split data based on feature values. The branches lead to other nodes or to leaf nodes, which give the final classification. By reducing entropy step by step, decision trees create clear and confident predictions. This makes the model more accurate and easier to understand. In artificial intelligence, entropy helps systems organize information and make decisions that minimize uncertainty. Even models like ChatGPT or image generators like DALL-E and Midjourney, relying on principles similar to reducing confusion to produce reliable results. Understanding entropy also helps us see why decision trees are transparent. Because their splits are based on clear mathematical rules, we can follow the steps and understand why a certain decision was made. This transparency supports ethical use of AI, making sure decisions are explainable. So, in simple terms, entropy in decision trees measures how mixed or uncertain the data is. The goal is to split the data in a way that reduces this uncertainty, making the classification process more straightforward and reliable.